today based on the fundamental analysis. Alright, on fundamental analysis, being that we take just the US play, we are focused on just the US major news we are expecting today, which is coming up by 1:30 p.m. Nigerian time, which is the core retail. We have the retail sales, we have the president, Trump's speech today, and of course by 3 p.m. we have the Fed chairman make his own speech also, which is also coming up by 3 p.m. These are major impacts activities, let me use that words, or major news that actually the forex market. So pay close attention to these times so you can know what to do with your current trade. If you're gonna stop it or you're gonna place it, you're gonna do whatever you want to, just make sure you make use of this information that is made available to you. And just in case you have access to this, you want to have access to this, just very available worldwide. You just go Forex Factory, go there and adjust the time to your own local time. You can come over here to adjust the time to your own local time, or better still, go above this, you're gonna see it right there. So any of you, just adjust the time to your local time. You have access to this fundamental Forex Factory analysis. Alright, that's it. Let's go back to the technical aspect and focus on what we'll be expecting today. Now, starting with the pound dollars, of which I told you last week that I'm very much bullish on the pound dollar, BTCUSD and XAUUSD. And of course, looking at my bullish rates see today. Okay, so here's where my bullish rate comes up today. This is the current level that actually got broken. Then we saw a gap opening as of yesterday. The market actually opened with a gap, and you can see that. Now I try to fill up the gap. Now we actually have chances of the market actually see retesting this level before going bullish, and at the same time I can just choose to go bullish. So wherever it does, just go to the 15-minute chart to see the recent move, which tells us a better view of what we are expecting in the market. So taking this up, we can see some internal levels around here. You can see tested right here again. So let's see what really is going on. So is the market coming down again to retest this? Retest this first, then before you see it start moving bullish, or are we see the market are going straight up out of this? We're gonna have something like this, more like pullback, then we think of going long. So wherever which happens, I told you overall I'm still very much bullish on pound dollar, looking for bullish setups on pound dollar. So either waiting for it at this level, I wait for it to fully break above this, tries to go below it, unable to go below, I go long on pound dollar. So that's my analysis today on pound dollar. Just in case you want to use my broker, they're actually available worldwide. If you want to have access to them, just check the description. I'll be leaving a link to my Telegram, and for my Telegram you see my brokers there. My synthetic broker is there, the broker is for my forex market is there, and of course if you also in Nigeria, we also have a broker there that also have access to free trading, to all the free classes for all their clients. So once you have an account with them, you can visit any of their offices in Nigeria. The teaching is absolutely free so long as you have an account with them. Just check the Telegram. I dropped a link for all these brokers down there for you. Alright, so let's go to the next one, which is BTCUSD. Remember, it's similar. I still expect similar stuff. For me, overall, it's still actually very similar. Looking at this, you can see some levels of rejection right here. So let's go to the 15-minute charts. Just what I said earlier, I see I'm very much bullish. So let's see if we're gonna see some bullish move. So let's see what happens as we go by. We're gonna be seeing the market breaking above this to give us a bullish move. Then we're gonna be going long also on BTCUSD. So overall, still I'm still very much bullish on BTCUSD. Alright. Okay, so let's go to the final one, which is XAUUSD, popularly called gold. Which one is the most popular? Is it XAUUSD or gold? Which the trader use more? Is it XAU or they use gold? I think I've seen a lot of trader calling in XAU. Of course, I've seen also some calling it gold. But then, wherever it is you call it, it's all nice, it's all good. So it's actually still similar, same stuff, still very much bullish. Alright. I think I'm seeing some nice move already on this. If that actually closes that way, let me adjust it a little. Okay. Putting my stop loss. What's going on? I'm trying to adjust the stop loss. Okay, let me see if I can adjust this. Alright, then I move it above F. Perfect. So here's my entry on gold. Alright, so this is to the end of the analysis. So just as I said earlier, remember the fact that analysis almost every single time does not mean it's a must you take it. You can just use this as a guide to your personal analysis to have a better view of the market. So please and please remember I've already said it, nothing is perfect, nothing gives you 100% guarantee. No matter how good it looks, the chart is looking very nice. I even see it right here. The gold is looking as if it's going to be going bullish. Don't be surprised. You're going to see a spike moving barely, and before you know, it's taking down everything you ever aspirated for. So please and please, always ensure, just what I always said, that please stay safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose. That said, I'll see you next time with the synthetic analysis. And please, if you enjoyed the channel, please do it to make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can get notified once we post another video. For watching this on Facebook or TikTok, please hit the follow button. Same procedures, same things apply. That's it. Have a lovely day ahead. Please stay safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose.